Good morning, students. Today, nationalism, Gandhian phase, history, unit 8. The continuation of this lesson, students, listen here carefully. Champran Satyagraha. Yesterday, we saw nationalism, the Gandhian era. Champran Satyagraha. Champran is in Bihar. In Champran, Tinkatia system was familiar during that time. Tinkatia system. The European powers exploited the Indians. Particularly, on that day I told you that indigo dye. I told you, previous lesson I told you. The indigo plant was grown in our country by the European planters. It is converted into dye. The cloth makers were used these indigo dye, converted into dye. The indigo plant converted into indigo dye. In the end of the 19th century, the German synthetic dye was familiar. So indigo was out of market. Indigo dye was out of market. Synthetic dye, German synthetic dye was famous during that time, in the 19th century. So, illegally, the European planters levied the rent of the land. Indigo land. The peasants, more and more tax were levied on the peasants, and also indigo planters, illegally the rent were levied on Indian peasants. So they were suffered a lot. During that time, Rajkumar Shukla, he was one of the agriculturists. He was treated cruelly by the European planters. So, during the time, Rajkumar Shukla was suffered a lot. At that time, Gandhi heard the news. The Rajkumar Shukla was one of the agriculturists. He was a hardship were faced. So when Gandhi visited Champran in Bihar, he was asked to the police to leave Rajkumar Shukla. But the Europeans arrested the Gandhi also. So, everywhere in India, there are a lot of boycotts. All the people support goes to Gandhi during that time. In the Champran incident, echoed everywhere in our country. So according to the Gandhi, the country does a first object lesson in civil disobedience. After that, Gandhiji was full swing to eradicate the Champran Satyagraha against the Europeans. Gandhiji was assisted by Braj Kishore Prasad. He was one of the a lawyer in profession. Braj Kishore Prasad was one of the lawyer, assisted Gandhi, and also Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was one of the first president, became the first president of our country. Yes, both of Braj Kishore Prasad and Rajendra Prasad support goes to Gandhi. So to oppress the Champran movement. Particularly the thin caste system was abolished finally. Abolition of thin caste system finally abolished. The ending of the oppression of indigo planters. The indigo planters finally oppression were leave by the indigo planters. Ahmedabad mill strike and Kheda Satyagraha during that time of thin caste system and Champran Satyagraha. The Ahmedabad mill strike was started in 1918 and also Kheda Satyagraha also started in 1918. During that time, Gandhi involved enthusiastically all over country. The many people were accepted that Gandhi was one of the brave leader in our country. Gandhi, leader of the total mass of the people. Rowlatt Satyagraha. Rowlatt Satyagraha were started in 1919. 1919. Rowlatt Satyagraha were started. Before that, Rowlatt Satyagraha, Government of India Act was passed. In that Government of India Act, mainly the dominion status of India. That purpose only the Government of India Act was passed. Certain principles is there. But these principles are disappointed for Indians. To transfer the power to India. So, on 6th April 1980, non-violent struggle were started. According to the Rowlatt Act, without warrant, without trial, many Indians were arrested by the Europeans. Without warrant, without trial, many Indians were arrested by the Europeans. So, according to the Rowlatt Act, many Indians were arrested and put into the jail. So, against the Rowlatt Act, many people were fought against the Europeans. On 6th April 1919, non-violent struggle were spread everywhere in our country. Particularly Punjab, Amritsar and Lahore. These places, the revolt were started. So according to the Rowlatt Act, the Gandhiji was protest against the British. Many people were arrested. Gandhi also finally arrested. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. During the Rowlatt Act, without warrant, without trial, Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichlu, Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu were arrested. During the end of the Rowlatt Act, Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu were arrested by the British. So, to protest against this, all Indians, men and women, joined together at Amritsar in in Punjab. Jallianwala Bagh massacre was started. The men and women, many people without armament, all the people joined together at a park in Amritsar. In that park, surrounded by wall, only one gate, surrounded by high wall. People not able to escape from the park. In the center of the park, one well is there. Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichlu were arrested, no? So protests against these meetings were conducted. The news spread all over country. At that time, General Dyer belonged to British. He heard the news. The meeting were conducted in the Amritsar, a park. General Dyer came to that place and blocked the only one entrance with the troops. He ordered the troops to shot him down. The innocent Indians, helter and skelter, they were not able to escape. The fire going on, ordered by the General Dyer. Many people were killed and thousands of the people were wounded in this incident. Gandhiji was upset. And finally he left the Rowlatt Satyagraha. Listen here carefully, students. Once again, I am going to recall Champran Satyagraha. Champran is in Bihar. The Tinkatia system was practiced during that time. According to the Tinkatia system, the Europeans were exploited the Indians. Particularly, the indigo dye was manufactured during that time from the indigo plant. The indigo plant were grown in our country by the Europeans. And in the end of the 19th century, the German synthetic dye were prevalent in our country. The German synthetic dye was famous during that time. The indigo dye was out of market. So after that, the Europeans levied rent on Indians. The many peasants were suffered a lot. They were unable to pay the rent of that particular agriculturist. Rajkumar Shukla, he was one of the agriculturists. He was suffered a lot. Hardship were faced during that time. Gandhi heard the news and came to Champran. Gandhi ordered the police to leave the Rajkumar Shukla. But Gandhi also arrested. And this news spread everywhere in our country. The country is according to the Gandhi, the country does a first object lesson in civil disobedience movement. So after that, the many people came forward to assist the Gandhi. Particularly the Brij Kishore Prasad. He was a lawyer in profession, and also Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He became a first president of India. Both of them assisted the Gandhiji and finally thin caste system was abolished, and finally ending of the oppression of the indigo planters. Noted, ending the oppression of the indigo planters, particularly the Europeans. Ahmedabad mill strike and Kheda Satyagraha. Ahmedabad mill strike was started in 1918 and Kheda Satyagraha also started in 1918. Both also in these Ahmedabad mill strike and Kheda Satyagraha, the Gandhi was involved in more and more time spent for this and involved cruelly by the Gandhi. But Gandhi was people, all the Indians were accepted the Gandhi as a leader of the mass people. Accepted the Gandhi was a leader during that time because of he involved Ahmedabad mill strike and Kheda Satyagraha in 1918. Note it, students. Rowlatt Satyagraha. The Government of India Act passed in 1919. According to the Government of India Act, the Indians were disappointed because of in this act were passed by our Indians. The principles is that for our dominion status purpose, but there was no concrete outcome. The Indians were disappointed to transfer the power to India. So on 6th April 1990, non-violent struggle were practiced in our country, in particularly Punjab, Amritsar and Lahore. The non-violent struggle were started. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Yes, Rowlatt Satyagraha already told you that without warrant, without trial, many people were arrested. Many people were arrested. So Gandhi and the other leaders were protest against this, and finally the Gandhi also arrested. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. According to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Sarifuddin Kichlu were arrested by the British without warrant, without trial. These leaders were arrested. Satyapal and Sarifuddin Kichlu were arrested. To protest against this, the Indians, where all the men and women were conducted a meeting at Amritsar, a park. Many people were participated in this meeting. In that park, there is high walls surrounded. Only one gate, high walls surrounded. No one escaped from other ways in this park. Only one gate, only one way is there. In the center of the park, there was one well is there. Well is there. So the unarmed meeting was going on. At that time, General Dyer heard the news, and with the troops he came there in that park, and he blocked the entrance, only one gate, and he ordered the troops to shoot on the Indians. The fire is going on. During that time, the many people were helter and skelter. They ran here and there, and many people were jumped into the well, and many people were killed, and more than 1,000 people were wounded. In this incident were known as Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So, to protest against this, Gandhiji was involved, and finally the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, all the Indian mass were joined together and fought against the British. Noted. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students.